Now the perfect tense. Perfect means complete, the action which has been completed. So perfect tense expresses the completion of work in present, past and future tense. Present perfect tense expresses the completion, the recently completion of work. Recently means जो अभी अभी वर्क कंप्लीट हो चुका है, that is present perfect tense. It shows the recently completed work. In this tense we use has have. As I already told you that in perfect tense we use third form of verb. In all the perfect tense we use only third form of verb. In present as helping verb we use has or have. So in affirmative sentence we use has have and third form of verb. In negative we use has have plus not plus third form of verb. And in interrogative we use has have in the starting of the sentence and then subject and then third form of verb. Example, I have completed my work. It means कि मैं अपना काम वो जो है वो अभी अभी complete कर चुका हूँ. My father has not finished his dinner. और मेरे फादर ने अभी डिनर फिनिश नहीं किया है. Has she learned her lesson? क्या वो अपना लेसन पूरा याद कर चुकी है? He has done his homework. It means वो अपना homework complete कर चुका है. He has not done his homework. Has he done his homework? And in interrogative sentence we put an interrogative sign at the end of the sentence. Now the past perfect tense. Past perfect tense shows the completion of verb in the past. It means past में कोई काम complete हो चुका था. As in present perfect we use has have. Here we use past form of has had. Had plus third form of verb. In affirmative sentence. In negative we use had plus not plus third form of verb. And in interrogative we use had in the starting of the sentence. Example, he had gone to play means वो खेलने जा चुका था past में. The action was completed in the past. He had not gone to play. Had he gone to play? क्या वह खेलने गया था? Next, he had taken his lunch. वो अपना lunch कर चुका था. He had not taken his lunch. Negative. And interrogative, had he taken his lunch? Now the future perfect tense. Future perfect tense expresses the action which is expected to be completed by a given time in future. यानी कि future में एक समय होगा जब तक मैं अपना वो काम complete कर चुकी होंगी. In this tense we use helping verb will have, shall have and third form of verb. Example, I shall have solved all the sums before 5 o'clock. It means कि मैं 5 बजे से पहले पहले अपने सारे sums को solve कर चुकी होंगी. Means it is showing the completion of work in future at a certain point of or before a certain point of time. In this tense we use will, shall as a helping verb, will have, shall have and third form of verb. In negative sentence we use will have, will, shall plus have plus not plus third form of verb. And in interrogative we use will, shall in the starting, then subject, then have and then third form of verb. Example, I shall have completed my work on computer by lunch break. It means lunch break तक मैं अपना काम complete कर चुका हूँगा. He will not have crossed the border by now. अब तक वो border से नहीं cross नहीं कर चुका होगा, नहीं किया होगा. विल दे हैव कवर्ड 100 माइल्स बिफोर 4 PM? क्या उन्होंने 4 बजे से पहले जो है 100 माइल्स कवर कर चुके होंगे? सो दे ऑल आर शोइंग एन एक्शन विच विल बी completed in future at a certain point of time.